Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J Black, Z White, and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. Yo, I love that. So guys, on today's topic, actually we'll be having a Pakistan makeup on Z White. Actually guys, we've have this question going on our YouTube channel, like where do you want us to visit first? Is it India or Pakistan? So a lot of people commented back on that post like, no, we want you to visit Pakistan first. No, Mary J Black, we want you to visit Indian first. So I was so confused and I don't know what to do about it. So I just came up with this idea and alright, no problem. We'll be having 4 makeup on this channel, 2 for Pakistan and 2 for Indian makeup. So let's see the one with high views. Yeah, the one with highest views, that's the country we'll be visiting first, then the second goes follow. So actually Z White here will be the first Pakistan makeup. That's the first Pakistan makeup will be Z White here will be the one to feature the makeup. So actually you guys should please stay tuned and see how this transformation will look like. And let me tell you guys, if you want me to visit Pakistan first, don't forget to share this makeup. Share it on all social platforms, social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, a lot more. Let it go viral, guys. If you really want me to visit Pakistan, actually I want to visit the both countries a lot more, but actually I don't know where to start from because both of you guys showing me a lot of loves on my channel. So no problem, we'll go by this idea of posting makeup of Pakistan and India makeup. So you guys should please share this video, let it go viral. So the first thing is this: I'll upload this content. After uploading this content, then I will see to this content after a week how many views I'm going to get out of this Pakistan makeup. Then same goes with the Indian makeup too. Then same goes with the 2 other makeups also for the Pakistan and for the Indian also. So the one with highest views, that's the one, that's where we'll be visiting first. So you guys should please stay tuned and see how this transformation will look like. So say hi, Zizi, say hi. Actually we call her Z White because she's very fair on complexion, caramel to be precise. So actually you guys should please stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We need like 20,000 thumbs up for this video, guys. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, let it go viral, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love. Yeah guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J Black, Z White, and Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. Here will be the one to feature this Pakistan transformation. Actually you guys don't know how I got this Pakistan outfit. Actually I bought it from the thrift market because we don't have people selling all these Pakistan or Indian dresses. So I'm so sorry if we did not get it correctly because it's not easy for us to get all this kind of outfit here. It's not easy for us to get the jewelry, the costumes and everything. At the same time, we just got a hair that we'll be using. So you guys should please show us some love. We love you all. Mwah. Guys, we are here at Recibel Makeup Studio, Kaduna State. Actually I love her studio. It's so beautiful. The way she decorated the studio is so fine. I love it. So amazing. Guys, can you see? Actually I love the studio. It's so beautiful. I love it. So Z White here will be the one to feature the Pakistani look. Peace. So you guys should please stay tuned for the transformation. I know it's gonna be late. So actually guys, we are here at Resabella Studio here in Kaduna State, to be precise, at ASD Mall. Actually, I love the studio. The studio is so lovely, so lovely. So you guys, if you want to have maybe your birthday makeup or casual makeup, wedding makeup, get together and lots more, anniversary, yeah, this is a perfect place for you. So you guys should please stay tuned and see how this Pakistan transformation is gonna look like. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up, hit on notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show us some love. Yo guys, it's still your favorite girl, Mary J Black. And Miss Muhammad in the building very